and corrupted creation. And salvation is the restoration of creation. So you can't understand salvation if you don't know creation. Because then you don't know where you go. And salvation is not the abolishing of creation. It's really reinforcing, reinstating creation.
Mm.
There is an aspect of, I would say, going beyond the first creation. Yes, when God works, his work is so excellent that he's not just repairing what has gone wrong, but he does it even better, or even he accomplishes it. So when you read, especially Revelation, the last two chapters, you get a feeling that the second creation it's more glorious than the first creation has been. But in the very first instance, in the first, if you want to say first approximation using a scientific language, salvation is the restoration of creation, and it's certainly not abolishing creation. And this is even important when you understand, in order to understand what we are meant to be as Christians. I think many Christians and non-Christians think that being a Christian is becoming something or somebody a little bit awkward, out of the world, disconnected from reality. I remember when I worked for the Salvation Army, they had sanctification seminaries, so holiness courses. And when I told people that I was going for a holiness week, so they were imagining very, very strange things what we would be doing. But then if you think what true holiness is, it means that we become the human beings we were meant to be, including all the aspects of human beings. So eating, celebrating, being in relationship with others. So it's not the monk in his cell praying all day. So it's being a saint is being a true human beings. And fortunately, sometimes Christian can really model it. So I can think of some saints who are these worldly saints, at the same time that they're really tuned into the coming world.
Yeah, I thought that's great, and I think that your argument to think of the Imago Dei as relational is very helpful in how we kind of connect these pieces as well. In my tradition, I don't know if you know Dr. Robert Kolb. He's a Luther scholar, but he's done a lot of work on talking about and defining justification in terms of restored relationship with God as creator. And so thinking obviously of the fact that we were created in the image of God to be in relationship to him, to have relationship with him, and then, more fully, broadly have relationship with his other creation, whether that's our neighbor or the creation of the world around us, I think is really helpful for people. And that idea that we're not supposed to be monks locked away in cells. We're not escaping our bodies to some higher enlightenment is, I would say, very beautiful, and I think very unique to Christianity.